Now I am going to show you how to work with the multiple aggregates. Here you see that in the previous example I used only one aggregates using the DB row. Now I am going to do the same thing, but I am going to use multiple aggregates. For example, in the persons table you see that I in the previous example what I did, country wise person total persons I just show in the output. For example, Ireland has 2 persons, the country is Ireland, it has 2 persons, right? Now I will also check in the Ireland country what is the maximum age or what is the average age. So it will just take country wise, that means it will take the Ireland 2 times and it will just get the average of the both age, and then if you want that the maximum salary I will also get from here. So in order to do that, what I will do, I am not going to remove it, I am just going to copy of this code, the previous code I am just going to make it off so that you can get the source code, no problem. Now here what I am going to do, I am going to check here DB table persons, this is okay, and in the DB row I will add the same thing. I am going to copy this one, that country wise total count I will need, I am going to copy it. Also in after giving the comma I add another one, sorry, the country DB row, here will be the comma, and there I will use another one after this. Actually I am going to copy it again, here will be comma, then this is another one. So instead of count I am going to give here AVG, that means average. So AVG average of what I will give here, which average I will tell that it will be average of age field. In the count I did not tell anything, but here I will have to tell the field name into the parameter of the AVG, that means average. So here I can give here average AVG is, and another one I will have to put here. So I am going to do one thing, that is I am going to write this into new line. For example like this, and this is second one and this is third one, and like this, okay. So I am going to copy this one and put it another time, and here I will use the max, that means maximum, which field, for example the salary field, and here will be a max salary as max salary. So group by country is okay, because I will group by the country. Now in the for is, when I will show you the result, the country is item country, okay, the count is total count, this is also okay. After that I will have to add 2 items. That items I am going to give here, one is average is, right? So here AVG is, so I am going to copy and I am going to paste it here, and same variable I am going to use here, paste, and here max salary. So I am going to give here the max salary. So here when I am going to show everything, the total persons, here I am going to copy these 2 lines. Last line will have that 3 here, otherwise this will be like this, average is, here will be average is, that is AVG is, and here will be max salary, and here I will write maximum salary. So like this. Now let's check it if it is working. Refresh. You see that in Australia it gets 1 person, average age is 32, as there is only 1 person, so the 1 person's age is coming here 32, and 10,000 is the maximum salary, as there is only 1 person. If you go to Ireland, you see that 2 persons are found and average age is 32.5. Let's check it. Ireland, right? So here Ireland one age is 30 and another one person's age is 35. So if you average these two, then it will be 32.5. That means 65 in total, then divided by 2, 32.5. So it is coming here. And maximum salary of Ireland, here are two salaries, 10,000 and 12,000. So between this 12,000 is maximum, so it is showing here. So let's check the USA now. All the persons of USA, 2 persons, 25, 30. So here the average of 25 and 30 will be 27.5, that is showing here. And maximum salary between these two, 15,000 and 13,000. So maximum is 15,000, that is showing here. So in this way you can use the multiple aggregates in Laravel.